It's been a few days, but that's okay. Today is Saturday and we have some festivities to do. We have a wedding to go to, so I'm super excited about that. I woke up around like 9 something. Went ahead and did the Oh My Glutes class. Oh My Glutes is a part of the Get Down, Stay Down HIIT class that I'm always telling you about. They are partners or whatever, but the Oh My Glutes class today, my body is sore. My glutes are sore. I'm sore. So I'm about to shower and then I want to show you guys what I'm going to eat. I think I'm gonna do a smoothie bowl, acai bowl. The reason it's not fully acai is because I'm not using like an acai mix. I made my own like base. But y'all, the other day I made this buffalo chicken salad. Chef's kiss out of what I had in my fridge. So anyway, I'm super excited about today. So I'm gonna get glam, we're gonna get dressed. I'm gonna show y'all all of that. So it's basically like a get ready with me type of day today. So let's get into it. If you are new here, I'm LaMonica. Welcome to my channel. I do lifestyle and beauty videos here on my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And let's get this day started. So yeah, I just showed you guys that I made my little smoothie bowl. I'm so exhausted. I'm so tired from that workout, and my shower was a really good shower. This smoothie bowl is gonna melt a little quicker because of the base wasn't like a firm base, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then we're gonna start getting ready. It is now, I think, 1 something. It's now 1 something, so I'm gonna start getting ready. I gotta be ready by 4. I'm gonna start getting ready so I'm not rushing, because I am always rushing when it's time to go somewhere, anywhere. And rushing be making me sweat. Like, it's already hot outside. We don't need to be doing any extra rushing. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this bowl and then I will come back once I'm ready to start getting ready, so you guys can get ready with me and we go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and do my makeup for tonight's wedding. It's an evening wedding, starts at 5, so I'm gonna do kind of a semi full coverage type of look. I'm gonna go in with some Nars foundation. I'm gonna put the light reflecting foundation on, plus a little bit of the soft matte, just because this is a fuller coverage, but I still want that dewiness. That one just gonna last, you know, for pictures and things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and you guys are gonna watch me do my makeup. Okay, so I figured out what I wanted to do with my eyes, and it's just gonna be a simple gold with a little bit of smokiness on the ends with like burgundy, because I am wearing like a burgundy and mauve and like a fuchsia type dress. So I'm about to put some lashes on and hopefully everything else comes together. Yo, I haven't done an eyeshadow look in so long. My everyday glowy summer look is what the eyeshadow is. And like I said, I'm watching my girl Shanice Alicia, so I'm getting through this makeup look. But sometimes when I'm like recording my makeup, the looks don't be coming out. But when I'm not like recording it and I'm like quickly trying to do something or just putting something together, they be coming out. But yeah, so I'm about to pop the lashes on and then we're gonna get into the face. Alright, you guys, so this is what the look is. Let me see if I can get some better lighting. Yes, so this is what the look came out to be. And I will show you guys my outfit once I get there, because the lighting in here is not the best, but I'll show you guys the outfit once I get there. I'm rushing, of course, rushing at the time when it's time to go. But I want to put some more fragrance on. This is my bag I'm taking, and these are my shoes to match my dress. So today we're gonna go in with YSL. So I'm just gonna spray some more of this. I don't want to get it too much on my dress because I already kind of stained it from putting on oil up here. So I'll just dab this back here. I'll see you guys soon.
Very strong. You will be soon. So just, you better be funny.
I will on YouTube.
You better be funny.
Yes, it's YouTube.
Let me introduce myself to you.
To the channel.
To your channel.
To the channel.
Dr. Fem Grace to your channel.
And
we MCing. We about to be live.
it's about to be lit.
Make sure y'all tune into my channel, Africanist Podcast.
Yes.
Dr. Fem Dizzle.
Go ahead, tune in.
Therapizing y'all all day, every day. You know, subscribe. Holla at me on the ground. Let me change it.